Hi, this is Joy, your assistive technology professional, and I'm here with a custom manual wheelchair and the Empulse F35 by Sunrise. This is a really great option for people who might be considering a scooter or people who use manual wheelchairs to self-propel or even sometimes get pushed, so long as they sometimes do self-propel. So what it does is it clips onto the front, and it's basically a power assist device. Now this is not coded by insurance, so this would be self-pay, but what we can do is do custom seating for your body and your needs and give you good biomechanics for when you're self-propelling. You could have the option for caregiver assist on the chair, and then if you wanted to, you could add this to the front of the chair. What it does is it eliminates problems with scooters where your knees have to roll around things, because this actually releases from the front. So you can take it off before you get out. So now you don't have to worry about your knees. You can also position this if your legs need to be in more of an outward position. So you can do that. And then it works similar to a scooter, but it lifts up your caster wheels so that you're not gonna hit things and kind of topple forward. And then you can just go for a ride. So you have the option to manually propel, get pushed by a caregiver, or add power like a scooter. Let me know if you have questions.